Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a Ford Fiesta. This is on a 2016-27, so it's a Mark 7 Fiesta, and I'm going to show you how to change the pollen filter right now. So let's get into it. So on the Mark 7 Ford Fiesta, we want to come around to the driver's side here, and our pollen filter is located down in the footwell just up here. So we want to take out this little clip here, which this one is nice and loose, and this whole panel needs to come off. So what we're going to do is just give it a pull, and then the whole panel comes off. So you set that aside, and then underneath here you're going to see this little trap door here. So it's got a couple of screws holding it in. So what we're going to need to do is get our T20 Torx, and we're just going to undo these screws. So we've got one at the bottom, one to the side on the right. Once we've undone them screws, we can then pull out this little trap door here to make sure that foam stays in there. And as you can see here is our pollen filter. So we're just going to get our finger inside, and we're just going to pull it out, slide it out, pull it down. Notice all the pollen filters have a airflow on them, so make sure the one you're taking out and the one you're putting back in goes the right way. We're changing this with a man filter today, and we've got our airflow going the correct way. So we just want to line this up here. Just gonna get the top in and the bottom in and just slide it in. Shouldn't be any resistance whatsoever. Then we can take our little trap door, which has just got a hook up the top, which hooks in, and then once we push it into place, we can put our two little screws back in, just here. Tighten these up. Just like that. Then we're going to get our big panel, and then on this side here you can see this little lip just there needs to go underneath this little bit of frame here. So you may need a little screwdriver just to help you do that, and then there's another tab just under there that locates underneath. And then once it's all tucked into position, once you've got this panel clipped in and underneath here all correctly, and we look down here and we're just gonna pop our little clip back in. So you push the first bit in, and you push the center bit in, and then once that's all lined up and done, that's it. So there you have it guys, there's a quick video on how to change your pollen filter, cabin filter in a Mark 7 Ford Fiesta. If you like the content, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.